Hello everyone, this is Topstitching workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we're going to talk to you about the sewing techniques once again. We're going to show you how to edge the slits with the facing details. This is a very useful technique. The first thing we need to do is to decide where to place the slit. Notice that these are not the two details stitched together. The slit can be made in any place here. The technique we're going to show you today will be useful for working with the slits made not in the seams. You can use it if you, for example, want to make a slit in the front of the skirt. The first thing we need to do is to draw the slit. We're going to make it 17 centimeters long. Let's make a spacing seam here. Do not forget to mark the top of the slit. Be very accurate and attentive when making spacing seams. It's not enough to draw the seam with a piece of chalk. The drawn line will fade when the detail is doubled and ironed. In order to edge the slit with the facing, you need to cut a piece of fabric. I remind you that we are making a mock-up. This is why we're using the fabric of different color. The width of this piece of fabric is 8 centimeters. It should be much longer than the slit is. The slit is 17 centimeters long, and this detail 25 centimeters long. It's better to cut the extra piece later. This detail should be doubled with the interfacing material of the same size. The both details were cut on the grain. This tight detail of the interfacing material was also cut on the grain. The slit itself should be doubled as well. Let's go to the ironing desk in order to do it. Do not forget to mark the right and the wrong sides in the both details. The crosses mark the wrong sides. Natalie is attaching the interfacing material to the facing detail. Be very attentive. Notice that we're going to attach the interfacing material to the right side in the main fabric. I remind you that we're doubling the part which will be cut. The details should be trimmed before we continue working with them. Next, we need to mark the center of this detail. Draw a straight line here. After that, we need to draw a line which matches the slit. The line should be drawn on the wrong side. Here it is. It should be made longer in order for us to see where to place this detail. Have a close look at what we're doing. The right side of the facing should be pinned to the wrong side of the main fabric. Next, we need to stitch the pinned details. Have a look at the way Natalie is going to stitch the details. The two seams should be made 1 mm away from the line on each side of it. Have a close look at the seam. It was made 1 mm away from the line. Natalie is still stitching the seam. When you reach the top of the slit, leave the needle inside of the detail and turn it. Make a couple of stitches here, and then turn the detail once again. Be very careful and attentive. Next, we need to make one more seam on the other side of the line. This is how the stitch detail looks like now. There are two seams here. The distance between them is 2 mm. They are parallel. Next, we need to cut the line. The cut should be made right in between the two seams. Be very attentive. Watch the way Natalie is cutting the top of the seam. She even makes the tiny cuts towards the angles. Do not cut more than needed. This is very important. Next, we need to top stitch the details. The width of the seam is 1 mm. We're going to stitch the facing details not towards the slit, but towards the sides.
Расстрочка на 0,1 на сторону изделия.
Be very attentive. Make sure that the seam is being stitched accurately on the wrong side. Natalie, let me have a look at it. Make sure that the seam extension is stitched close to the garment.
Закончили расстрочку со второй стороны.
When the facing is stitched, it should be turned to the right side.
Вывернули нашу планку на лицевую сторону.
I remind you that we've doubled the slit with the interfacing material before cutting it. Due to this fact, the edges of the slit are much stronger now.
И укреплен сам срез, и не высыпятся нитки.
Next, we can remove the spacing seam.
Все прокладочные нитки.
Due to the fact that the facing was top stitched, it's of the needed shape.
Кантик сам выкладывается.
It should just be ironed.
Только его аккуратно приутюжить. Вот он.
Iron both the top and the bottom of the slit very carefully.
Начало или конец этого разреза.
Next, the edge of the facing should be folded and ironed.
Вы можете начертить.
You can draw a line for ironing if you want to. Natalie is not going to do it. It's enough for her to pin it. I remind you that we are making a mock-up.
Поэтому
This is why we've decided to iron the detail right away.
образец у нас так получится. А вы можете
You can take it first.
заметать, отутюжить.
Next, we need to do the same thing on the other side.
Нужно, чтобы
It's very important for the both details to be of the same width.
одинаковой ширины.
This is how the facing looks like now.
Настрочная
We folded 1 cm on each side of it.
деталь. Один
The details are the same width.
наши
This is very important.
ширина планки одинаковая.
The only thing left to be done is to make a beautiful angle here.
Уголочек красивый сверху.
Fold one of the angles, press it, and then fold the second one.
Развернули деталь во вторую сторону.
The angles should be even.
Одинаковые.
You can make such slits in any garments you like: blouses, shirts, skirts, dresses. We also want to show you how to edge the bottom in such details. We're going to show you how to do it next time. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We're Ira and Natalie. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Goodbye.